Today we're working on a Maytag washer with the F8-E1 error code. To activate the diagnosis mode, you'll press temp, spin, and solid 3 times in a row. The F8-E1 indicates there's no water detected entering the washing machine. Here is a list of possible causes. However, most of the time the pressure sensor hose is restricted by a zip tie. This will not allow the pressure sensor to sense correctly. Common causes will not allow the washing machine to hit max spin cycle speeds and leaving your clothes damp. As you see here, the tub moves left to right. As this happens, it tightens up the zip tie, leaving a restriction in the hose. As this happens, the pressure switch cannot sense correctly, telling the main control board when to turn on and off the valve, or thinking the washing machine has water still in the tub, which will not activate the spin cycle. So here is your easy fix. Just cut the zip tie. However, make sure you do not cut the hose, just the zip tie. If you're still having problems, here's some other things you should check. If you like this video, please hit the like button below and subscribe for more future videos.